Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless up, first and foremost. We are going to talk about what the description of the video say. Unruly cousin Popcaan fall off, Teejay and Shenseea leave Romeich entertainment. Just stick around, you see. Alright, peeps, so we are going to start the video with Popcaan and the feud where the internet, the so-called feud where the internet has said him and him family have, which are unruly cause, you see me, unruly cause, go and check out family US that. Yeah man, so at the same brother day, him attack, make sure put picture with him and him in height, you see me, so they must say, yo, unruly cause gang and Popcaan gang did a war against each other. You see me? I don't know all that go, but I try to think about it, and you see me? You don't know, put one and two together and see what we could have get. So the people they must say gun pull upon Popcaan. You see me? Allegedly me I hear say that happen. So me I hear say Popcaan will get boxing and face and thing, and the gang them would have war against them each other. And bag of something when I don't really want to go in until it reach the media, but you don't know how the vlogging and dancehall industry will talk as it is how we hear until it come out to factual, you see. Shenseea now, she haven't actually, from she make that post, yeah guys, she don't make her next post when she said she announced her new manager. You see me, Romeich and the unknown. We don't know if her publicity son first and foremost, because I could have a certain contract with certain more perks, so she still probably signed to Romeich, if you get me. She just do this for a part-time, so we're there, we are going to observe speculation still a go around, but Teejay himself make a post say, yo, all of these cars are one girl. So everybody really want to know what the post they mean, you see me, so we're there and we are wonder if, you see me, but we're not going it as I say, so we just are going to watch to see if them are going to connect end of the day, or this are just it. Can me that just advise Romeich for just bust some more artists, because nothing no change though. Dear viewers, so if you still watch, you know my video, them go end each video of our life. And this live spice promote our new album, so she put it off actually to our next due date. So make we hear and see what o'clock a strike.
Focus on my project, on my song, on my album. So more while I want to see me get a chance to post, I just haven't had a chance. I just haven't had a chance to myself. I've been just focused on, promoting this song that I have. I believe in it so much. And although it bust already, I just want it go places. I just want it go on with itself so till it can't go on no more. So every day I wake up, I have interviews, Of course, everybody want to talk to me about the song and the projects. I have different media outlets that reach out to me every day. So it just swarm a day. And sometimes I forget to eat, the way I just do interview after interview. And then I have so many different parts of my life that I also have to stop and film. So sometimes I might be filming. I might have, different stuff. This week I'm in New York. I have a show on the 17th called Cotton. All white. Jeez, I'm not to forget my all white clothes. I wear the rest this. Listen, I forget my all white clothes, but if I get my all white clothes, I can come up with my teeth. Yeah. So Cotton is this week. I was trying to call the name of the venue, but the promoter haven't said the name of the venue yet. So for everybody, when I say which part Cotton I keep, where in New York, I know it's somewhere in Mount Vernon area, somewhere in New York. But the venue will be announced by the promoter on the day of the show. So big up to the promoter. The 17th, I will definitely be in New York. Right there. So what else may I have to update with the album? Of course, I gave you the date for the album, and I told everybody that it will be on July 30th. We have good news and we have bad news, okay? The bad news is the date kind of pushed back a little bit. Of course, I was upset. Oh, Paris, wagwan! Big up yourself. Yeah, who's Paris? Big up yourself. Right, that's some friend goodie. Remember me, I got a nice clean Jamaican restaurant. Go eat the stuff them. Yeah. But yeah, as I was saying, guys, the date got pushed back a little bit, which is a little bad news for us besties. But guess what? They pushed it back a week, and the week ended up falling right on my birthday. I don't know if it's God or Oiko, but yeah. And my birthday is still a blessing. So I can't complain. I'm not fly up in a God's face. I still feel good. I'm still grateful. Big up to Shaggy again. You don't know. And big up Sean Paul as well. But yeah, the album is ready and it will be here regardless. Better late than never. So on August the 6th is my birthday. I don't know if it's God working it. I don't know, but this is what I want from you guys. Support the album the real way. Don't just get it for free somewhere. Buy the album. Stream the album. That's what I want from you for my birthday. My album is coming out. It's called 10. You know the reason why it's called 10. And I'm so proud. I'm super excited. I can't wait to talk about it, to talk about the songs, and I feel good. I feel good. I mean, I can't complain. I can't complain. So the people them start saying Leo Gang already. Yes. Leo Gang, August the 6th, my birthday. The album will be out. But the good news now is within the next 2 days, you can pre-save the album or you can pre-order, which means you can start grab the album from now. Run up the numbers. Let's show them that we could do this. Because remember, I know best to them, so we couldn't do it. So we got to create some history with this project. It's very passionate to me. It means everything to me. It means the world to me. And yeah, we did it. We did it. So for my birthday, I know I'm going to be a happy woman. And I know you guys are going to support me. I like you always do. You know how far we come from with this. I'm going to just really come live and make you see I'm good. I'm just busy and tired. See me have makeup on my face. I just came from green screen for Love and Hip Hop. I was in Jamaica doing some project work, 2 days, shoot all day, all night. Then I left Atlanta this morning, and as I land, I have to take a shower and drive straight go to green screen for Love and Hip Hop. The work never stops. So if you don't see me on Instagram, no worry on yourself. Bestie is just working, and I just a focus, and that's just it. And I just come live to telling you, say, you know, look at good news, look at bad news. But at this, so we're there. We're still getting the album named 10. They support it the real way. I love you guys. When I miss an update, I really need the album to do some great numbers. I need it to do that too. Of course, because you know, so the people them talk, but them talk bad. Them go on like say it couldn't happen. So we have to show them say it could happen and it can do great numbers. So yeah, I want that too for myself. I'm not ask. Yeah. Don't you miss the kids? The kids are here with me in Atlanta. Not because I don't post them every day. They're right here. The kids are here. They're doing good. Alright. 10 album, yeah. What else? I can't wait till the album drop. I can't wait either. Miss Unruly Jordan, big up yourself. Right there, so. Soca_love, where you say you are Ras. Hey. Whoa! Muguna silencer. All of my real fans them understand. Them alone get it. All of my real fans them get it. Them understand. Me know if I talk to them. if you don't get it, you're not a part of the best gang. You have to get it when you're coming back to Guyana. When the place open up back and everybody start travel and them something, I guess. Because you know, it's a Guyana I'm a place already. So definitely. Big up to Canada. Canada, thank you guys so much. You don't know, all is a support Grassy Noir. So yeah, big up the whole Canada crew. I love you guys. August 5th is my birthday too. I've never met anyone who want... Oh, you said 5th. I'm 6th. I'm August 6th, guys. Not 5th, August 6th. Big up on yourself. But just come live quick. Nothing great. I just did want to see me. I'm one soon or two. Because I know it's a long time I don't really see me. You know, post up and go on social media. But boy, may I tell you, sometimes the day run off so fast. Somebody says that their problem. Big problem. But I forget my all white clothes. Somebody said August 7 is mine. Yeah. August 3rd. That's so much people born August. It's a Leo gang. Big up the whole Leo gang. Come Bahamas, no. I'm coming everywhere. But big up, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys long. I just wanted to update you guys. We'll go live next time when we have more time. But I just want to put in that quick update there. So, when you know the thing go, I will be back with more information as soon as I get it. I'm in my wig closet. My wig closet is messy right now, but yeah, I'm in my wig closet. But anyway, I love you guys. I'm good. I'm just staying focused. And what the song, like I said, go down there still I do extremely well. It does chart down the whole place at England where they go #1 again. It they're #2. It does a go on. And I have to just be consistent and I have to focus and adapt my depend. Me not look left, right, center, how it go. Me not look round and back side way, how it go.